I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete bookmarks on web browser. Firstly, I'm going to teach you how to delete bookmarks on Firefox. So open up your Firefox app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom right you'll see a 3-bar menu icon. Tap on it. You can see the option of bookmarks. Tap on it. You'll see the websites you have bookmarked. Tap and hold the bookmark that you want to delete, and then tap on remove bookmark. This way you can easily remove bookmark on Firefox. Now I'm going to teach you how to delete bookmarks on Chrome. For that, open up Chrome on your phone. After you have opened up the app, on bottom right you'll see a 3-dot menu icon. Tap on it. Now select bookmarks, go to mobile bookmarks. There you can see the websites you have bookmarked. Now tap on edit, which is on bottom right of your screen. Select the bookmarks that you want to delete and then tap on delete, which is on bottom left of your screen. This way you can easily delete bookmarks on web browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.